Hello and welcome to our channel. So today I have the Yeezy 500s here, and well, I also have the 350s because I want to make a comparison of the boxes, but I will also be giving you a review of these Yeezy 500s. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. But now let's compare these boxes. So when I got this box, I saw, because I haven't seen, well actually I haven't seen these shoes before, like live, and I've only seen photos, and also I haven't really looked at the box, and I didn't even know that these are like Adidas and these are Adidas original. So that I didn't know, so that was interesting. But yeah, let's look at this side. The boxes are pretty much the same size, and here it has like this part of the cardboard, and here it doesn't have one. And then also the text, the 351, it has more text on this side, and the 500 one only has Yeezy 500 made by Adidas and then the Adidas logo, and then the 350 has Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, adidas.com, Kanye, and the Adidas original logo. Then it has the 500 and 350, and on the other side it has the sizing, and I am a US 5 in both, and that's like a 37 1/4, or no, 37 1/3. And yeah, on the sides, both of them, no, this has Boost and this doesn't have anything on either side. But yeah, now to the actual unboxing. So I got these Yeezy 500s in the black color. They've released the yellow ones and then the beige ones so far, and then these are the third ones. The fabric is suede, and then it has this air holes, and also it is pretty random looking shoe, like all the bulkiness of it. It looks pretty funny. I will also try these on for you so you know if they're comfy. I really want to know if these are comfier or not that comfy, or the same comfy as the 350s are. But yeah, these aren't like pure black, like deep black. Wait, where's black? Here I have like black, so you can compare. It's like grayish, but not, yeah, maybe it's like a dark gray. Yeah, I would say it's dark gray and not like black. But it does go if you have like distressed or like old looking black jeans. I feel like they would look really cool. I will show you details and tell you how these feels on my feet, but let's go outside for that. These shoes are really comfortable to walk with. These are really soft. I would have to try the Yeezy 350s in comparison to know if they are softer than these, but these have really soft when you walk, and they have like a bit of a bouncy feeling, so it's really nice to walk with these. And also I thought these weren't going to be so comfortable on feet because they have such a bulky outline here, and the bottom of the shoe is kind of bulky as well, so I thought that I could feel it when I walk, but I can't really feel, if I go on my toes, I can really a bit feel like the bulkiness of it, but that doesn't really bother me. But yeah, liking these shoes so far. These are comfortable to walk in, and I think they look cool. They're a bit different inside. I got these from Cali Roots. It's an online store and these retail for $2.20 and they are the same price as the 350s. These shoes don't really have a resale value. You might get something out of it, but not really. Not really. And also with the 350s, the resale value isn't that great anymore because they have been producing them so much, so they've kind of lost the resale value. But I really wanted to get these for myself because I really like the 350s, so I wanted to try how these 500s are. And also I don't really have black shoes, so I wanted to get a full black shoe. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.